Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Mohamed Suleiman or Richman bin Daudi. In fact, guys, finally, the fee Chelsea want to sign Hato from Ajax has been revealed. That fee has been revealed. The fee that is holding the deal or that is making it difficult for Chelsea to sign Hato. And this is the fee, guys. Chelsea are currently unwilling to offer more than 41 million for Hato. Ajax, who initially wanted 55 to 60 million, are weighing up the options and now seem willing to settle on a package between 43 million to 45 million, with or without bonuses. Yes, so guys, that is the information. Let's break it down. Ajax, they want to sell Hato to Chelsea between 55 million to 60 million. Between 55 million to 60 million. But Chelsea want to pay 41 million. Chelsea is not even willing to pay more than 41 million. Let's say even 45. Chelsea said for them, they can only pay 41 million for Hato or even 40 million. They see Hato valuation to be 41 million. And as I said, Ajax want 55 million to 60 million. So guys, that is the fee and that is holding the deal. And guys, should Chelsea go and pay the 50 million or the 60 million for Hato regardless? Well, this guy, his signing is very, very important for us, guys. We need Hato in Chelsea next season because we need a backup for Cucurella. We need someone who will come and help Cucurella. I'm telling you. See, Cucurella cannot play all competition for Chelsea next season. Champions League football. One game in the Champions League alone is tired, exhausted, so many things. So imagine Cucurella being our left back, Champions League night, the weekends, him being Premier League player, Carabao Cup is coming, FA Cup is coming. One player, he can't do all of them. Yes, this season Cucurella play more games, more than any of our players, even more than Moses Caicedo. Cucurella play 54 games for Chelsea this season, including the Club World Cup, and Caicedo play 50 games. So imagine him playing 54 games, and next season we are not going to play Conference League again. Oh, Conference League, we can't compare the intensity there to the Champions League. Yes, next season we are going to play the highest level football. Yes, Champions League football, the game that United will not play next season. I'm telling you, Chelsea, we are playing that competition. So for that matter, we need Hato today. For me, I believe we need him today, we need him tomorrow, and we need him tomorrow next year and next season and beyond. I'm telling you. So see, for me, I can't answer it whether Chelsea should pay the 50 million or 60 million or what and what. But as a Chelsea fan, what I know is that we must get a replacement for Cucurella. Because see, sometimes Enzo Maresca play Gusto there, but it doesn't work. Anytime that Enzo Maresca send him to the left back position, we saw Gusto messing up. So indeed, we need Hato. And another reason is that the guy can also play as a center back. So any day that Chalobah, we don't even know as we are speaking now, at the end of the day, Chelsea will sell Chalobah or not. So be it Chalobah is not available, Tosin is not available, Badiashile is not available, Liverpool. This guy is a center back. He can replace any of them. So you see, we need Hato. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea go and pay for Hato, or should Chelsea pay the 55 million or the 60 million Ajax is willing? By information came that it is looking like Ajax want to accept the 41 million or the 40 million Chelsea is offering. So let's see by the close of today, because information came that maybe between 24 hours to 48 hours, this transfer will happen. Yes. And it is looking like it will even happen before Xavi Simons on. And let's come to Xavi Simons latest, guys. But before I go there, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. And please watch this video till the end. More transfer news are coming. Yes. Xavi Simons latest. This is it, guys. From French football journalists. Chelsea have reached an agreement on personal terms with RB Leipzig. Xavi Simons 22, according to French media Sports Zone. Yes. That Chelsea has reached personal terms or personal agreement with Xavi Simons. So now Xavi want to join Chelsea he accepted to join Chelsea, but guys, the issue is the fee. Yes, this is another information from Simon Phillips for Xavi Simon. First step on attackers, go for Xavi Simon. Conversation advance with Leipzig. The next step, consider Alejandro Garnacho. Garnacho as an opportunity in month of August. If United condition to sell will match up with Chelsea conditions. So guys, that is a message for Xavi Simon. And yes, the guy want to join Chelsea. Yes, he is waiting, yes, for the green light for Chelsea and RB Leipzig to come to consensus, to come to agreement on his transfer. So his transfer also is below 60 million. Let's say 55 million or 50 million. Leipzig want Chelsea to pay. So now they are discussing about the fee, the structure, the amortization. But the personal terms already agree. Xavi Simon will join Chelsea. I'm telling you, it will happen. It will happen. Yes, it is looking like it is delaying, but delay doesn't mean deny. No. Or delay doesn't mean denial. So at the end of the day, yes, I'm even seeing here we go both of Hato and Xavi Simon. Here we go to the two players coming to Chelsea. So guys, that is the latest for Xavi Simon also. And let's come to our Nicolas Jackson. Yes, latest information for Nicolas Jackson. And Chelsea still interested to sign Alejandro Garnacho. This is the information, guys. Chelsea interest in Alejandro Garnacho is long-standing, but there is one main obstacle as regards any potential trade. The hierarchy at Chelsea value Nicolas Jackson at 80 million. They don't want to pay more than 30 million for Garnacho. So Garnacho, Chelsea want to sign him. Yes, but from Chelsea come that they don't want to pay more than 30 million for Garnacho. Or they are not willing to pay more than 30 million for Alejandro Garnacho. So if United say, okay, we are selling Garnacho 25 million or even the 30 million, Chelsea may go and pay the money and bring Garnacho to Chelsea. But I keep on saying it here. Some fans are saying that we don't need Garnacho. Some fans are saying that we need Garnacho, what and what. And the 30 million for me, I think is fair value. Because during the January transfer window, United said he was 80 million at that time. So now because they want to sell him, United reduced the price to 40 million. Yes, currently United is selling Garnacho 40 million. So Chelsea said for them, if they are going to sign Garnacho, unless 30 million. So at the end of the day, if United agree with Chelsea condition to pay the 30 million, maybe there Chelsea can go and sign Alejandro Garnacho. So guys, that is the latest information for Garnacho also. Garnacho coming to Chelsea, yes or no? Yes or no? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to our best striker in the world. The best striker in the world. The best striker in the Premier League. Nicolas Jackson. In fact, guys, so many teams are coming for Jackson. I'm telling you. But Chelsea keep on telling them that unless you bring 80 million. Aston Villa came, Chelsea said 80 million. Newcastle came, Chelsea said 80 million. United came, Chelsea said 80 million. I even heard currently Barcelona interested to sign Nicolas Jackson. What a wow. Hooray. Barcelona, bring the 80 million and next season you are winning the Champions League. You are winning the Champions League with Nicolas Jackson. Imagine the crosses from Yamal. Imagine the crosses from Rafinha. Nicolas Jackson is giving Barcelona 30 goals. Next season, Jackson is giving Barcelona 30 goals. So Barcelona, bring the 80 million. Bring the 80 million and come and take, yes, your Champions League winning striker. Yes, that they want Jackson to come and be a backup for Lewandowski. I will not even say that Jackson will be a backup for Lewandowski. Lewandowski is getting older and older. Jackson will just come and take over. Yes, goal scoring Jackson, prolific Jackson, clinical Jackson. Why Barcelona? Bring the 80 million and come and take the best striker in the world. So guys, rumors are saying that Barca also interested to sign Nicolas Jackson. But some Chelsea fans are saying that Chelsea should not sell him. Let me hear from you, your opinion, your thought about Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson. Should Chelsea sell him? Should Chelsea keep him? Should Chelsea drop the price? Or you think that Jackson deserves the 80 million valuation? Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. And another rumors came that RB Leipzig, they want to come back for their player, Christopher Nkunku. Yes. And I don't want to believe it, but it can happen. But just that, the fee. Yes, I heard Chelsea want to sell him around 40 million. And will RB Leipzig pay it, willing to pay the 40 million? That is the issue. because we are Chelsea. We saw it over the past seasons. When we come to these Italian clubs and these German clubs, they don't want to pay, especially dealing with Chelsea. So Nkunku going back to RB Leipzig, I think it will be good for Nkunku career, because at the Bundesliga, yes, he was balling there, he was scoring goals there. That is one of the things Chelsea even saw at that time and went and signed him. So him going back to where he came from, it will be good for his career. But as I said, the fee, would RB Leipzig willing to pay it? In fact, they want almost two of our players currently, Kenechukwu Emeka and now rumors said about Nkunku going back. So guys, that is the latest or the rumors about Christopher Nkunku. And for Nkunku, if any reasonable fee come, I'm telling you, Chelsea will sell him. Chelsea will let him go. At least the 40 million, Chelsea will let him go. Yes. So guys, rumors said that RB Leipzig may come back for Christopher Nkunku. Yes. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea sell him? Yes, or keep him for next season? Because now it is looking like Sanchez and Nkunku, they are doing juju. Their malams are working. Yes, our owners and the sporting directors are about to forget about them. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea sell Christopher Nkunku or should Chelsea keep him? Yes. And Chelsea is working to sign Strasbourg, our satellite club striker Emmanuel Emeka, the Netherlands international, who is 22 years of age. Chelsea is working with Strasbourg to sign him, and if Chelsea sign him, he will join next season, not this season. Yes, Emmanuel Emeka. Yes, Netherlands international. Yes, he's Netherlands, but I think the name is Nigerian name. Yes, Emmanuel Emeka. Yes, and another player Chelsea sold to Strasbourg. Yes, Ish Samuel Smith. Yes, I think 2023 Chelsea signed him from Everton, 3 million. Now Chelsea sold him to Strasbourg for 6 million or 6 million and above, 6.8 million. So Chelsea made a profit, and now he is Strasbourg permanent player. For him, he's not going there on loan. He's going there as a permanent signing, permanent player. Yes, Ish Samuel Smith completed his move to Strasbourg, and Chelsea want to sign Emmanuel Emeka from Strasbourg. He is a striker to join Chelsea next season. So that is the latest for these two young players, guys. And Benjamin Sesko to Manchester United. United start talks with RB Leipzig to sign Benjamin Sesko, the same as Newcastle. And Chelsea show interest to sign this guy, but Chelsea must sell one of our attackers before they can bring any striker again. Chelsea must sell, be it Johnson or Nkunku, before we can bring any striker. So United, do it quick, or even Newcastle, if he wants Sesko, quick, go and sign him. If not that, he will sell Johnson or Nkunku, we'll come and take him. Because guys, I heard if Chelsea sell Nkunku or Nicolas Jackson, they will go back and sign as a striker, and Benjamin Sesko's name is part of those strikers. And because Chelsea didn't appear there, if Chelsea today appear there, he is accepting Chelsea project all day. I'm telling you, because we have everything that he wants as a footballer. Yes, to give it to him. When he joined, first of all, the trophies are guaranteed. When he come to Chelsea, he's winning trophies. Ja Pedro just joined. He didn't even know Chelsea training ground. Cobham already won a trophy, major trophy. So Benjamin Sesko, guys, information said that United are in talks with his camp and Newcastle. Yes, and as I said, Chelsea also interested, but Chelsea must sell one of our attackers or strikers before they can go in for another striker. So that is the latest for Benjamin Sesko. And during the course of the day, if any latest transfer come, or here we go for Hato, or here we go for Javi Simon, I will update you. I will let you know. So please tell another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions. Yes, and share this channel, share this video, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.